morning all, how are you all doing? Well, you join me tonight, it's Sunday, we're near on the bank holiday Monday, and guess what? Look at the weather, it's raining! Yeah, typical innit? UK bank holiday. Tickety-boo, rain. Yeah, the missus did say to me, do you fancy going to the beach today? In this? She mad? Oh, not a chance, never in a billion years. God, it has been a shitey old day today, excuse my French. Yeah, it's just back again. Just seems to have a nice day and you think, oh, here we are. Let's get the shorts on. Yeah, get the shorts, oh, we're them little lambs. Get the shorts on. And the t-shirt, now we're back, look, we're back in the coats. And the waterproofs and everything. And the old wellies. Look, the old New Delhies are on again. Fed up of wearing them. They're posh, aren't they? Yeah. Anyway, how you all doing? Yeah, basically, we've just been doing our day-to-day thing. We had some building work plans the other day for the new kennel block, which is gonna be nice. I think I'll be living in there, to be honest. It's gonna be that nice in there. Oh, I'm gonna have my telly in there and a log burner and a nice leather sofa. The thing is, you know, that it don't cost a lot, because you know all them sites, a lot of them are free to take away, and as long as you've got a van, you can have them for free. It's called upcycling, isn't it? See, I'm doing my bit for the environmentalisation as well. That sounded a posh word, didn't it, for me? Yeah, it did. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well anyway. Fair play to everybody who was at the Holland show. Well done to the winners. We've got the first UK grand champion, sorry. Seen that on one of the sites earlier. Yeah, so well done, well done. You know, it just proves we can bring stuff back to the UK. And you know, look at the breeds we've come out of the UK. They're all fantastic. You got the Bulldog, the British Bulldog. You got the English Bull Terrier. You got the, there's loads. Obviously, you got the Irish Wolfhound, which is Ireland, I know, but you know what I mean, we're still all together. So, yeah, you know, now we've brought the bullies and we've made them into a grand champion. Fair play to you all out there. Fair play for your commitment and everything that you're doing for the bully world. Fair play to you all. Yeah, unfortunately, we never made that one. We're going to the Sweden one. I think I've repeated. This is my repeat again of what I'm going to say. We're going to the Sweden show. We're not taking any dogs. We're just going to, me and the lad, we're going to go out for a weekend and get some food, see what that Swedish cuisine's like. So yeah, that's not till September though, but obviously we've got a lot planned way before that. So in good health and God's eyes, and wake up every morning with a breath in your lungs, we'll get there, like I say, and that way at least just frees up more space for us, you know, because obviously dogs take up space, take up time and stuff like that. So, but no, the new kennel block's going to be the Dogs Dingo. Yeah, it's going to be the Dogs Dingo. Where it's actually all going to be enclosed in everything in blocks, and some nice patio doors on there, so we can open them up in the day, sliding doors, slide it out. Oh God, excuse me. Get them dogs out, get them in, you know, the fresh air running through them. Air all the kennels out so it don't stink of urine, because that's what it is with urine. A lot of it is circulation, you know, it's all to do with circulation, because to smell it, because it comes out, you know, you jet wash them out and all stuff like that, and then it's a circulation of air, because if you've not got the air, it's like a stagnant smell. So yeah, just remember that, plenty of air circulation and stuff like that. Yeah, it's going to go to work, so we're going to have aircon in there, like I said to you, leather sofa to chill out on, so we can spend, you know, just literally be with the dogs, full sit and be with them, you know, show the love and respect that they all earn and deserve, because every dog deserves respect. Yeah, and if any of you out there always say, chuck them outside, be all right. Yeah, well, we have dogs outside, yeah, I understand that, but you know, when they're young and stuff like that, we like to keep them by us so we can get a bond with them. And, you know, if we do have puppies in the future, then people can, you know, they know they've been brought up around family and children and other dogs. you know, it's just nice. It's just nice because we love our dogs. We love them to bits, you know. Pain in the arse most of the time, but that's what we do. That's what we do. And we've done it, and we'll always do it. So yeah, hope you all, anyway, I'm going to leave you all there because I've got other bits to add for this from the other day. And also, like I say, we've been busy as well ourselves doing other things, been down the river. I've got some footage of that as well. That'll probably be on the back of this video or on, somewhere on it. So yeah, this one's probably, you know, we're going to do a weekly one now. We're just going to do a weekly one, a few shorts, because then on the weekly one, we can expand it and do like a daily walks and where we've been. And obviously I'm going to do a feeding one, preparation and stuff like that. So yeah, the new diet seems, well, old school diet, but added a few twerks to it, seems to do really well. A bit more energy in them as well. So yeah, molasses. If you've got a big dog, it's like treacle. I know I'm telling you all my tricks, all my tips, ain't I? I'm telling you all my I'm telling you all my tricks. Yeah, a bit of molasses, half a spoon in the food. Read up about it. Read up about molasses. Red jar. I think it's red. It looks black or red or something like that. Red labels maybe. And then it's got a, it's like treacle. It smells like super malt. Now anybody's had super malt, the drink, will know it's a Jamaican drink. I like it. It's a Marmite. You either love or hate it. So yeah, half a spoon, half a little spoon, and try it because it's full of goodness, full of goodness. Yeah, right, people. I'm going to sign out. You all take care. Have a nice bank holiday Monday and stay safe, whatever you're doing. I don't think we're doing a lot because I think it's forecast rain again. So yeah, so the beach is cancelled for the day. That would have been nice with some good footage. So yeah, God, I can't get my words out tonight. I ain't even had a drink. Yeah, so stay safe, everybody. Love to all. Peace out.
1, 2, 3, 4.